Myself, Nilkant Swami, Assistant Professor, Government First Aid College, Tiptur. Now, today we are discussing about the problems and solution on purchase consideration. Problems and solution on purchase consideration. Last period, we are discussed about what is the meaning of purchase consideration, what are the types of purchase consideration, discharge of purchase consideration, etc. Now, today in this session, problems and solution of purchase consideration. Here, purchase consideration methods, there are three methods in purchase consideration. There are three methods in purchase consideration. First one, lump sum method. Second one, net assets method. Third one, net payment method. Lump sum method, net assets method, net payment method. Lump sum method, in lump sum method, the consideration amount given in the problem. The consideration amount given in the problem. In net assets method, the assets taken over by purchasing company at agreed value. The assets taken over by purchasing company at agreed value less or minus liabilities taken over by purchasing company at agreed value. The difference is agreed value of assets minus agreed value of liabilities is purchase consideration. Is the purchase consideration. Net payment method means the company, purchasing company, taken over the business of the vendor company on payment through conversion of shares, debentures, cash, etc. These are all main three types of or three methods of calculation of PC. In first method, lump sum method, problem number 1. Lump sum method, example or problem number 1. Total purchase consideration is rupees 2,60,000, which is to be discharged by issue of 16,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each and rupees 1 lakh in cash. Calculate purchase consideration. Okay, in this problem, total purchase consideration is rupees 2,60,000. The purchase consideration given in problem, total purchase consideration is rupees 2,60,000, which is to be discharged by issue of 16,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each and rupees 1 lakh in cash. Calculate purchase consideration. The purchase consideration is 2,60,000. Discharge of 16,000 into 10 and 1 lakh cash. Here the solution, The solution: payment to shareholders, that means shareholders of vendor company, by or through equity shares. 16,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each is equal to 1 lakh rupees 1,60,000. Second, cash 1 lakh rupees, cash 1 lakh. Total purchase consideration is rupees 2,60,000. The total purchase consideration mentioned in the problem: equity shares and cash, 2 times. Discharge of 2 times. The purchase consideration is rupees 2,60,000. 2,60,000. Okay. Next, second, problem number 2. The purchase consideration, or example 2, the total purchase consideration is rupees 2 lakh, which is to be discharged by issue of 15,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each, and the balance in cash. Calculate purchase consideration. The problem: total PC is rupees 2 lakh, out of which is to be discharged from purchasing company to vendor company by issue of 15,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each, and the balance in cash. Calculate purchase consideration. The solution is: calculation of purchase consideration. Payment to shareholders of vendors company. First one, through equity shares. Through equity shares, 15,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each. 15,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each, rupees 1,50,000, and the balance is cash. The total purchase consideration 2 lakh. Out of 2 lakh, issue equity shares rupees 1,50,000. The balance is cash 50,000. PC 2 lakh, through equity shares 1,50,000, cash 50,000. This is the problem. This is the example of lump sum method. In lump sum method, the purchase consideration amount or consideration amount given in problem, the consideration amount or consideration payment given in the problem, the details of discharge also given in the problem. Next, net assets method. Net assets method, the problem number 1. For example 1, assets of A Limited are to be valued rupees 2,70,000. Assets of A Limited are to be valued rupees 2,70,000 taken over by X Limited. Taken over by X Limited, and the amount payable to creditors rupees 50,000 and debentures are rupees 1,10,000 in bracket 10,000 12% debentures of rupees 10 each at a premium of 10%. 12% debentures at a premium of 10%. Calculate purchase consideration. Calculate purchase consideration. This is the problem. Assets of A Limited are valued rupees 2,70,000 taken over by X Limited. X Limited is the transferee company. A Limited is the transferor company. Assets of A Limited are valued rupees 2,70,000 taken over by X Limited. and the amount payable to creditors rupees 50,000 and debentures are rupees 1,10,000. The 1,10,000 means 10,000 12% debentures of 10 each at a premium of 10%. Calculate PC. Calculate PC. Here, the assets 2,70,000 less liabilities, that is PC, that is the purchase consideration. Now, calculation of purchase consideration. Calculation of purchase consideration. Value of assets taken over by transferee company rupees 2,70,000. Value of assets taken over by purchasing company rupees 2,70,000 less value of liabilities taken over by purchasing company. The liabilities are creditors rupees 50,000, 12% debentures of rupees 10 each at 10% premium 1,10,000. Creditors rupees 50,000, 12% debentures at rupees 10 each at premium 1,10,000, total 1,60,000. Total value of assets 2,70,000 less liabilities total value 1,60,000. The purchase consideration is rupees 1,10,000. Purchase consideration is rupees 1,10,000. In net assets method, agreed value of assets minus agreed value of liabilities taken over by new company, taken over by purchasing company or transferee company. The assets value 2,70,000 less liabilities 1,60,000. The balance is rupees 1,10,000 is the purchase consideration. Okay. Next, another one example. Here, calculate the purchase consideration. Calculate purchase consideration to be discharged by ABC Limited to XYZ Limited from the following information. Calculate purchase consideration to be discharged by ABC Limited to XYZ Limited from the following information. Here, ABC Limited discharge PC, that means transferee company is the ABC Limited, transferor company is XYZ Limited. The information given below. The assets of XYZ Limited are valued at rupees 1 lakh. The assets of transferor company valued at rupees 1 lakh. The liabilities of XYZ Limited are valued at rupees 40,000. The liabilities of XYZ Limited are valued rupees 40,000. Rupees 20,000 cash is paid to the shareholders of XYZ Limited. Rupees 20,000 cash. Assets 1 lakh. Liabilities 40,000. 20,000 paid to shareholders of XYZ Limited. That means XYZ means transferor limited. The balance of purchase consideration is discharged by the issue of 10 each at rupees 20 per share. At rupees 20 per share. This is concerned to discharge. First 20,000 cash paid to shareholders, then remaining balance discharge by the issue of shares of rupees 10 each at rupees 20 per share. 10 each but issued at rupees 20 per share. Assets also given, liabilities also given, then discharging information also given in this problem. Now solution. Here calculation of purchase consideration. Assets taken over value rupees 1 lakh less liabilities taken over value 40,000. Purchase consideration is rupees 60,000. Assets minus liability is equal to purchase consideration. Assets taken over value rupees 1 lakh. Liabilities taken over value rupees 40,000. The difference is assets minus liabilities is equal to PC. The purchase consideration paid by the transferee company to transferor company. Here ABC Limited is the purchasing company and XYZ Limited is the transferor company. XYZ Limited is the transferor company. The purchase consideration amount is rupees 60,000. Now discharge of purchase consideration. The discharge information given by the problem, given in problem. First, cash 20,000 out of 60,000 purchase consideration. Paid through cash rupees 20,000. Next, the balance in cash. The balance in cash. That means the balance is out of 60,000 less cash 20,000. The balance is rupees 40,000. 40,000 amount paid rupees 20 each. 40,000 cash paid rupees 20 each. That means 40,000 divided by 20. 40,000 divided by 20 is equal to 2,000 shares. 2,000 shares of rupees 20, 40,000. Total purchase consideration is rupees 60,000. Purchase consideration rupees 60,000. Out of 60,000, cash paid through cash rupees 20,000. 60,000 minus 20,000, the balance is 40,000. The balance through issue of equity shares at rupees 20 each. At rupees 20 each. 40,000 divided by 20 is equal to 2,000. 2,000 into rupees 20, 40,000. Total purchase consideration rupees 60,000. Next, net payment method. Net payment method. Example 1. X Limited is acquired by Y Limited. X Limited is acquired by Y Limited. Agrees to make the following payments. Y Limited is the transferee company. X Limited is the transferor company. The following information are payments to X Limited by Y Limited. Cash at rupees 5 per share for 10,000 shares of rupees 10 each held by X Limited. Cash at rupees 5 per share for 10,000 shares of 10 rupees 10 held by X Limited. X Limited ಗೆ 10,000 shares ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಿದೆ. rupees 5. Then issue 2 shares of 20 each for every shares held in X Limited. For X Limited shares, for X Limited 5 shares, the Y company paid 2 shares for rupees 20 each. For rupees 20 each. For 5 shares for rupees 20 each. Next, third point, discharge rupees 1,12,000 debentures of X Limited at a premium by issuing 13% debentures in Y Limited. 13% debentures in Y Limited. Discharge of 1 lakh rupees 1 lakh 12% debentures of X Limited at premium by issuing 13% debentures in Y Limited. This is concerned to discharge of debentures for 12% debentures of X Limited and conversion to 13% debentures in Y Limited. Then fourth and last point, 50,000 cash to creditors, rupees 50,000, 50, rupees 50,000 cash to creditors of rupees 50,000 cash to creditors of X Limited in final settlement of their account. Final settlement of their account. Creditors paid to creditors of X Limited, final settlement of their account. Y Limited paid creditors to X Limited creditors for final settlement. Determine the amount of purchase consideration as per accounting standard 14. Now discharge. Calculation of purchase consideration. First, cash 10,000 shares of rupees 5 each, 50,000. 10,000 shares of rupees 5 each, 50,000. Then equity shares. Equity shares 10,000 for conversion of 5 shares into 2 of Y. That means 10,000 divided by 10,000 into 2 divided by 5. 5 shares of X Limited give Y Limited taken over for conversion of 2 shares. 10,000 into 2 divided by 5. That is 4,000 shares. 4,000 shares, equity shares of rupees 20 each. 4,000 equity shares of rupees 20 each, 80,000. Rupees 80,000. Cash rupees 50,000. Equity shares rupees 80,000. Total purchase consideration rupees 1,30,000. This is net payment method. Payment. That means in payment method need not be calculation of discharge of PC, because through discharge of PC through cash, shares, preference shares, etc. This problem concerned to net payment method. Okay. Another one examples for net payment method. The shareholders to get rupees 10 cash for every shares in X Limited. Shares X Limited is 40,000. 40,000 shares of rupees 10 each, close the bracket, and 5 shares of rupees 10 each for every 4 shares held by X Limited. Calculate purchase consideration. The shareholders to get rupees 10 for every shares in X Limited. Every shares in X Limited, you can understand each and every cent. 10 rupees 10 cash for every shares in X Limited, in bracket shares in X Limited rupees 40,000 shares of rupees 10 each, and the 5 shares of rupees 10 each for every 4 shares by X Limited. Calculate purchase consideration. Okay. Now the solution. Calculation of purchase consideration. Calculation of purchase consideration. First, cash. 40,000 shares into rupees 5, rupees 2 lakh. cash 40,000, cash rupees 5 each share. The problem mentioned cash rupees 5 for each share. Cash 40,000 shares into rupees 5, 2 lakh. Then throw shares 50,000 shares of rupees 10 each. 50,000 shares of rupees 10 each. That is 50,000 means for 5,000 shares conversion to 4. The 40,000 shares of 10 each, that means 4 divided by 5 into 40,000 shares. 4 divided by 5 into 40,000 shares is equal to 50,000 shares. 50,000 shares, that is the 50,000 into 5 lakh. Total purchase consideration is rupees 7 lakh. Here 4 shares of number shares issued for 5 shares, that is 40,000 into 5 divided by 4, but not for 4 divided by 5, 40,000 into 5 divided by 4 shares, that is 50,000 shares. The conversion of 4 shares into new company taken over by 5 shares. 40,000 shares into 5 divided by 4 is equal to 50,000 shares. 50,000 shares into rupees 10 each, 5 lakh. Cash 2 lakh. Then shares 50,000 shares into 10 rupees, 5 lakh. The total purchase consideration is rupees 7 lakh. These are all the 3 methods for example for calculation of PC. Lump sum method, net assets method, net payment method. These are all mainly 3 methods for calculation of PC. Okay. Thank you very much.